Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will tell you about Russell Brunson Clickfunnels. So if you are looking for what is Russell Brunson Clickfunnels, then guys, I will tell you in this video. I will tell you each and everything that what is Russell Brunson Clickfunnels by going inside the Clickfunnels. Right guys? So you are at the right place. So without a delay, let I tell you that what is Russell Brunson Clickfunnels. Guys, it's a simple software, or you can say it's a simple website builder through which you can create high professional looking landing page, squeeze page, and thank you page, bridge page, right? And just not only you can create thank you page, squeeze page, bridge page, but you can also create funnel, right? Two steps lead generation funnel having landing page and bridge page or thank you page. Even by the help of ClickFunnels, you can also sell your product, right guys, by creating sales funnel, right, in any niche that you can imagine, right? So guys, very simple. In other words, if I say it's a simple software, it's a simple drag and drop software through which you create funnel, right? Whether it's a sales funnel, membership site funnel, product launch funnel, right, or webinar funnel, right? So guys, it's a, you can say it's a tool, right? Simple tool or simple software. And now who is for, guys? Very frankly, if you go to their official website, then you will see, guys, this tool that you can use, guys, if you are agency owner, freelancer, information product, if you sell information product, then guys, you can sell your information product by using ClickFunnels, by creating funnels, right? If you are into e-commerce, then yes, you can use this tool. If you are into coaching, consulting, network marketing, yes guys, by using ClickFunnels, you can create funnel for your network marketing business, right guys? And yes, if you are local small business owner, then yes, you can use. If you are into B2B lead generation funnel, right, then you can use. Even if guys, as I told you earlier, that you can use this tool for your blogging business as well as for your affiliate marketing business by creating two steps lead generation funnel, right? As I'm blogger as well as I'm affiliate marketer, so I use this tool for my blogging business as well as my affiliate marketing business, right? And yes, if you are into non-profits, then yes, you can use this tool. Even you are just new, right? You don't know how to create funnel, how to create a landing page, squeeze page, thank you page, then yes guys, you can use this tool, and inside there are training, and you can learn how to create your funnel, how to create your thank you page, how to create your squeeze page, right? So there are lots of training that you can watch, and you can learn more about ClickFunnels, right guys? So you can say this is all about, you can say, ClickFunnels, or you can say Russell Brunson Clickfunnels, simply that I told you right now, right? And you can, yes, you can also check by going their website. It's a simple drag and drop web page editor, right? You can edit anything, and yes, you can sell with the simple shopping cart, and yes, you can do marketing automation, Facebook and email, right guys? And just guys, they have Axonetics, right? I show you by going into my ClickFunnels account. As you can see that I'm into my ClickFunnels account, right? I have subscribed to their $97 per month plan, right? And in that I get contacts. You can see that guys, there are 999,999,999, right? So I can store contacts up to this, right? Up to this number, right? And just how many visitors I can get? Like 20,000, right? And yes, pages, how many pages I can make? I can make 100 pages, right, with their $97 plan, right? And how many funnels I can create? I can create 20 funnels, right? So yes, yes, I have made some money as an affiliate, as I told you guys, I'm using this ClickFunnels as an affiliate marketer. So yes, you can see that in last 30 days I have made $578.60, right? So yes guys, you can use this tool for your affiliate marketing business too, if you are an affiliate marketer, right guys? And yes, they have $97 per month plan, and they have also $297 per month plan. And with this plan, guys, you get two extra features, right, that I tell you. It's Xanalytics and Backpack. Actually, what is Xanalytics? Simply, guys, it's a autoresponder, right? Just to collect the email leads, right, and send the email, right? So by using this plan, you don't have to buy your third-party autoresponder like we use Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, right? So you don't have to use a third-party autoresponder because they are giving you their own autoresponder, right? And you can use this Xanalytics. You can create your action funnel, mean to say, based on the behavior of your subscriber, right? You can send the emails, right? And yes, you can collect the emails, right? And you can send the broadcast, right? And yes, so this is one of the feature that they have feature. And Backpack, it's you can say, if you are selling any product, right, and you want to have affiliate program, right? So guys, this is for you guys. You can have your own affiliate program, right, and through which you can track how many sales that your affiliate marketer have made, how many commissions, right, they have made, right? So yes, it's perfect for somebody who's already selling some kind of product or service and they want to have their own affiliate program. So then yes, guys, this Backpack is for you, right? So guys, yes, they have affiliate like guys, if you subscribe to this ClickFunnels, right, then you also become an affiliate marketer, right? And so you don't have to apply for the affiliate program, right? You also already become affiliate of ClickFunnels, and you can start promoting their product, right? And as you can see that, guys, let us show you some of the things that you can do, right? And yes, guys, when you join this one funnel with when you join ClickFunnels, they also give you free domain. So yes, it's a good thing, guys. So that you can see that integration. So you can integrate that I show you. If you are using third-party autoresponder or any tool, then guys, you can see these are the tools and software that you can integrate with ClickFunnels, right? That's a MailChimp, Market Hero, Marpost, OnTraPost, right? Salesforce, ShipStation, Slide Broadcast, Shopify. If you are into e-commerce, then you can use Twilio, right? Webhook, Webinar Jam, Zoom, Zen Direct, Webinar Jam Studio, right, guys? MailChimp, right? So Kajabi, Infusionsoft, HubSpot, GoToWebinar. Yes, if you are into webinar, right? If you do more webinar, then yes, you can use GoToWebinar. GetResponse to collect your email leads. Facebook Drip, ConvertKit, right? I'm using this autoresponder for my affiliate marketing business to collect the leads, right? Aweber. Right? So these are the tools and software that you can integrate with ClickFunnels, right, guys? And what else? Yeah, I hope I have covered everything, guys. And just let I show you some of the funnel that I have created with the help of ClickFunnels, right? You can see that, guys. Let I show you. So guys, as I told you that you get 20 funnels, so I have already made my all 20 funnels. So these are my 20 funnels. And yes, guys, when you create your account with ClickFunnels, you get these funnel, right, for free, right? Best selling book funnel, network marketing bridge funnel, perfect webinar funnel, product launch funnel, right? You get it for free, right? So Okay, yes guys, this is the funnel that right now I'm promoting, right? They have one funnel level challenge, right? It is for somebody who wants to learn how to start on their online business. Then yes, they can promote this one funnel level challenge, and for every sale, or you can say for every registration, you will get $100 as CP commission, cost per action, right? So yes, I'm promoting, right? If you want to promote, yes, you are most welcome. And yes, if you want to promote, then yes, let me know. I will give you my funnel, this exact funnel, so that you can download inside your ClickFunnels account, right guys? So let me show you how it looks, guys. So guys, you can see that I have created my funnel, right? Simple funnel, very simple, right? And yes, and this is my landing page, right, that I have created. And let's show you my thank you page, guys. So as you can see that with the help of ClickFunnels, I have made my thank you page, very simple thank you page, guys. Yes, this is my video, right? And you can see, and yes guys, on my thank you page I'm offering bonuses, right? If somebody joins one funnel level challenge through my link, then these are the bonuses that I'm offering. That it's a good practice to offer bonuses, right, on your thank you page or bridge page, just to stand out from the competition, right? So these are the bonuses, 12 plus done for you saved funnel that I'm just giving as a bonuses, right? 10K case study and ClickFunnels video training, guys. Yes guys, if you join this one funnel level challenge through my link, I will give you my ClickFunnels video training course, right? So these are the bonuses, pre-written emails file.com secrets book. Yes, if somebody joins one funnel level challenge through my link, I will give him that .com secrets book for free, covering shipping and handling charges from my own pocket, right? And yes, I'm also giving expert secrets book, best affiliate program. I'm giving that paid monthly recurring commission. So these are my best affiliate program that I'm also promoting. I'm also giving my one-on-one coaching, right? Personal support, so total value. And yes, we can also I'm also, you can say, using a kind of scarcity, right, by using a timer. So guys, you can see that by using ClickFunnels, I have created my simple two steps lead generation funnel, right? So yes, if you want this funnel, then do let me know. I will send you the link, right, so that you can download this exact funnel into your ClickFunnels account, right guys? So I think I have covered everything, guys. So let me show you guys how you can say edit and how you can say create a thank you page or squeeze page, right? It's simple, right? By going into editor section, right? Yes guys, you can see that, guys. So this is the editor section, right? So here we can say we edit any headline, right? It's a simple, right? If you know how to use desktop, right, then yes, you can just edit anything from here, right? By going, you can type anything, guys. You can change the image, right? So yeah, it's a very simple tool, guys. I don't know, right, how to write coding, how to do, you can say, HTML, right? I'm just simple guy, right? So yeah, it's a perfect tool for me, right? For somebody who doesn't know anything technical, right? Any coding knowledge, right? So yes, we can, here you can see that by going, right? Let me show you. So by clicking on that, yes, from here I can just upload any of the photo, right? Yeah. Yes, I can change the color, right? By going here, can you see that, guys? I can change the color. So guys, I don't want to change because this is my actual, right? This is my live funnel, right? So let us show you that. You can see that, yeah. Then yes, we can change the color, right? And yes. So whatever you want to edit, you can edit by going from this section, right? Yes, by going here, right? You can change the width, padding, top, bottom, whatever. Right? Yes, if you want to add another element, right? So yes, by going here you can add so many things, guys. You can input select box, Facebook opt-in button, right? Audio play, audio, video, image, paragraph, bullets, so whatever, guys. Headline, sub-headline. So yes, you can do so many things, guys. So guys, this is all about for Russell Brunson ClickFunnels, right? And yes, if you have any questions, then guys, do let me know, right? I will personally help you. And yes, if you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because on alternate basis I keep providing some great training on affiliate marketing. So yes, please subscribe to my channel, right? If you want to know more how to do affiliate marketing business step by step, right? How to promote someone else's product as a professional marketer, then yes, this channel is for you, right? So yes, go and subscribe to my channel, right? And yes, if you have any question, then you can ask me any question in the comment, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.